Good morning to all my Keurig coffee drinkers, French press peeps, pour over folks, and Tumblr users. It is RF Mike, and today we are checking out a new kettle. And there is nothing wrong with my old electric kettle that I had been using that I bought back in 2019. I ended up taking that one to work, so I decided it is time to go ahead and look at something new that is on the market that is actually a best-selling kettle on Amazon's page. So as we can make out on our box, we can tell that there's definitely less material in use, as they say on their description here. To me, that means they are not using multiple boxes to make one size box. And we can tell there's kind of a less print and less advertisement on this box. So my new kettle of choice is this here LeeHoo electric kettle at a 0.8 liter. It is $44.99 and listed as one of Amazon's best-selling electric kettles. Obviously, because it is a little on the smaller side, has a nice gooseneck spout, and I like the all-black look to it. So one thing that I like about this hot plate for the electric kettle is we have actual rubber feet. If you look at the bottom here, we can see we have some nice gray gum rubber at the bottom to keep our platelet from slipping around on the counter. My initial feel and impression of this kettle is I like the black look and I like the matte texture feel to the kettle for sure. And our inside is a stainless steel insulated walls, or I should say a two wall, kind of like a tumbler setup where you have stainless steel double walls and basically a nice black matte coating on the outside. As we can tell, we have our low and our max imprinting on the inside, along with a nice black coated handle that has our LCD display on top. So I have given our kettle its first washout, and it is time to go ahead and fire this puppy up and give it a shot and see how fast it will boil some water for us for making some French press coffee this morning. So upon placing the kettle onto its dock, we can see the display does light up, but there is a caveat to this display. Yes, the display only functions when it is connected to the base, which is the same with most electric kettles, but as you can see, it is a touch panel. The whole display is basically touch ability. There is no physical hard buttons to this kettle. It is all just by capacitive touch. By pressing on the temperature gauge, as you can see, you can raise by single degree temperatures. Now, one thing I did learn about this display after doing this initial video, if you do touch on the numbering itself, it has some pre-set up temperatures ranging from 215 degrees to 210, 205, 200. So it drops down in increments of 5. And if you want, you do only need to get it to the temperature you want preset to. If you want to go 205, for example, and from there go on ahead, let the kettle do its one beep saying that it's starting. It will start boiling, as you can see here, and then it will chime and stay warm automatically on its own without you needing to do anything once it has hit the desired temperature. So you just heard that 3 beep chime. That means that the water is ready to be used. It has reached a point where it is a little cooler than the desired temperature, but that is why I like to overshoot on this model of electric kettle. I have found that it does heat the water quite quickly, and I can use this electric kettle more frequently, being that it is a smaller size, and not have to worry about making the water too hot. It will run for a total of 30 minutes on its own to stay warm before fully shutting down. And there is sensors built into the kettle to keep anything from burning out completely, so you cannot have this electric kettle run empty and cause the element to burn up. If you all like this video, hit the like button, comment, subscribe. This is RF Mike. I will chat with you all in the next one.